Opening race. And with a green light, they're off. Out wide on the track, the Sleepy Lion was one of the first to show out and is looking to close down across the face of the field and will find the top. In second spot at the moment was Our Samson, and third on the inside taking the leader's trail as Grand Slam Miss. They were being followed next of all by Donkey, who stuck out there 3 deep momentarily. A length away then came Redcastle Rebel, who settles down in about 5th spot. Further back then to Jack and Ice, caught a little bit deep there as Thought I Heard You Laughing. And the last couple as they come into the straight were Blake's Jet, who was taking an inside peg run, and back towards the back end of the field is Shut Eye. In that order they come down the home straight. 2 rounds left to go, a mile left to complete. And the lead time was 38 seconds. The leader is the Sleepy Lion and the margin is a length. In second spot on its back is Grand Slam Miss and Donkey, races without cover. On the inside, 3 pegs now and 4th as they go into the back straight as Blake's Jet, and then Our Samson, and taking off from back in the field, going up out 3 horses wide as Jack and Ice. And then came Redcastle Rebel, a length away Shut Eye, and up on the inside as Thought I Heard You Laughing. So as they run down the back straight now in the direction of the 1200 metres, and it's the Sleepy Lion looking for an all-the-way victory. Around the outside, Jack and Ice went up to park without cover, and under lock and key third as Grand Slam Miss and Donkey gets cover for the first time in the race. 3 markers and 5th then as Blake's Jet, and they were being followed on the outside by Our Samson, who's had a pretty cosy run. Well back is Thought I Heard You Laughing with Redcastle Rebel, and still whipping them in as Shut Eye. First quarter of the last mile is 31.6 as they sweep into the home straight. The winning post judge and bell awaits them. It's the Sleepy Lion, 3 parts on Jack and Ice tapped up, getting now to within a neck of the leader and takes it on. In third spot then is Grand Slam Miss and Donkey. They were followed by Blake's Jet, Our Samson. Further back then, under a little bit of pressure, is Thought I Heard You Laughing, Redcastle Rebel, and last of all, 2 lengths away is Shut Eye. Second quarter was 30 and 4, 62 the half, and these two go stride for stride. It's the Sleepy Lion on the inside, only ahead in front of Jack and Ice under heavy pressure. Again, the Sleepy Lion finds. Third is Grand Slam Miss, and then came Donkey, who's flat, the long odds on favourite, but it is responding now. And then came Blake's Jet, further back in the field, Redcastle Rebel, who's driving up behind them, but the leader sneaks away. Third quarter was 29, and the leader is the Sleepy Lion. Grand Slam Miss has a chance to get away from the inside, and then Donkey and Blake's Jet as they swing in for home, but it's the Sleepy Lion first to see the judge, trying hard as Grand Slam Miss, and then came Blake's Jet running to third, but it's the Sleepy Lion, and the Sleepy Lion holding rivals at bay and is going to go home and win another one, the Sleepy Lion. The Sleepy Lion first, second home was Grand Slam Miss, third Blake's Jet, and sneaking home on the inside, a good run, Thought I Heard You Laughing, and then Shut Eye, Jack and Ice, Donkey, the heavily backed favourite did 0, and then came Redcastle Rebel, and back at the tail of the field, another one who didn't respond, Our Samson, 29.8, 2 minutes.2 was the mile rating.